Who knows how long I've loved you? You know I love you still. Will I wait a lonely lifetime? If you want me to, I will. To play this song yourself, we only have 3 chords. We have C, where we place our 3rd finger on our 3rd fret. We have G, 3 fingers. 3rd finger directly above C on our 2nd fret of our E string. Middle finger, 2nd fret of our A string closest to our toes. And 1st finger, also 2nd fret on our C string, 2nd closest to our nose. A little tip moving from C to G, keep your peace sign fingers hovering above, because then all you need to do is lift that 3rd finger, place down all 3 at once. C to G. And our 3rd chord is F. Middle finger on the 2nd fret of our G string, and our 1st finger on our 1st fret of our E string, F. We start with C. Who knows how long? We move to G. I've loved you. We do that again. You know I love you still. So for the second part of this very short segment of the song, we play an F. Will I wait up? So we've just got 2 strums down and a very gentle ghosted strum up. So wait up, wait up. To G. Lonely. The G's nice because it works with the syllables. Lonely. Will I wait lonely? When we move to C for lifetime, we have lifetime. So we're moving down on life and time. Lifetime. You'll hear 3 notes. Lifetime, lifetime. Up, lifetime. Then we stay on C, down, up for if you. Lifetime, if you. Back to F. Want me. So we have want me. Down, down, up. Down, down, up. Want me. To G. Too high. So the I comes just before the 2nd strum. Too high. Down, down, up. Too high. Then a C and 1 strum, stroke down with the pad of your thumb. Well. You'll notice when I was doing the nice big long single strums, I was using my thumb. When we got to the stroking, I was gliding my fingers across the strings. Who knows how long I've loved you? You know I love you still. Will I wait a lonely lifetime? If you want me to, I will. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and ring that bell so you can be notified of new tutorials. If you want